Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ina from GRID. Alhamdulillah, today, 20 February 22-24, we are GRID team in Bambi Village, PD District for implementing income generating project for widow. Inshallah, today there are 30 beneficiaries consisting of 10 farmers, 10 cake seller and 10 rice seller. The content for our 1 unit machine water, 1 unit well bro and 1 unit pest spray. And then the content for rice seller and 1 unit gas stove, 1 unit fryer, 1 unit steamer, 1 unit blender and 1 unit rice bucket and 3 unit food container. And the cake seller, 1 unit gas stove, 1 unit oven, 1 unit stand mixer and 3 unit cake pan.
Alhamdulillah, terima kasih banyak. Dengan adanya ini kami sangat terbantu.
Terima kasih ke Bapak Muslim Helper. Semoga uka kamu mendoa panjang umur, bersihat selalu. Mudah-mudahan ke saudara-saudara kamu yang lebih nyalam Rawana kamu ucapkan banyak terima kasih ke Rawana.
Alhamdulillah, thank you for all donor Muslim Helper. Hopefully Allah bless you all. Fastabiqul khair. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.